This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing tools and a clean workspace so the repair is fast and safe. Once ready, power the controller off, remove the 4 back screws, and use a plastic pry tool to open the shell carefully. Make sure to lift slowly to avoid snapping tabs. Then locate and unplug the battery connector. This prevents shorts while you work. After that first safe step, position the shell and components so you can access the PCB and faceplate without stretching wires. You now expose the button area by removing faceplate screws and carefully lifting the PCB. Note ribbon cable orientation for reassembly. Once exposed, inspect the rubber button pads and the carbon contact dots on the PCB. Dirt, residue, or worn carbon causes unresponsive buttons. Use 90% isopropyl on a cotton swab to clean both sides. Let dry completely. If carbon pads are flaking or the rubber membrane is torn, you reassemble by reseating the PCB and ribbon cable exactly as noted, then reconnect the battery, but keep the shell loose to test. Power on and press every button to confirm responsiveness and tactile feel. This ensures you caught the problem before final closure. If buttons are still mushy, install replacement rubber membrane or micro switches as needed, then torque screws evenly to avoid panel warping. If problems continue after replacement, consider swapping the main PCB. That is the final diagnostic step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.